Hey guys, how are you? This is Eric from Wheelie Clean. Come along with us with our journey while we build our mobile detailing extractor. So recently we've been using a portable one, Little Green Giant, very basic, very residential. We wanted to up our game, go with something a little bit more stronger, a little bit bigger to get those deep stains out of the car seats. You make it look really nice for customers. So we went with a 4-gallon, 6 horsepower rigid vacuum. Cool thing about this vacuum, it has a detachable blower vac that you can keep plugged in, use it to blow car off after you wash the outside of the car. You want to get some of the water drips off, you can get those things off. So very cool, has an attachment that you can attach to, put it on the blower, blow the car off, put it back, take it off, pops right back on the vacuum like nothing, just like that, one piece, okay? Another important thing about if you're gonna go this route and build your own, it's very important that you buy the wet filter. Okay, a couple bucks on rigid, you put it in, doesn't make your vacuum all musty and mildewy. Very important to grab one of those to do it, okay? So this is gonna be the vacuum that we're gonna use. Again, a 4-gallon, 6 horsepower rigid vacuum, purchased at Home Depot. I believe it was on sale for about 90 bucks. By the way, if you're still watching this video, make sure you follow us, like us, subscribe to us, and follow our links for our socials at the bottom of this video. We're gonna move on to the extractor part. We went with a company called Rip Clean, very highly recommended. They sent us their kit. It comes with a 10-foot hose, the extractor, and a 50-foot water hose. Comes all in the kit. Very simple to put together. Take the hose, just plug it right into your vacuum, right, just like so, right into the vacuum. You take this on the hose counterclockwise, twist it on, there we go, get it nice and snug. Beautiful, like that, you have it on now. And then the water hose, connected to a water source, plugs right in here, throw it on, snaps on, connect this to water. Now, based off of what they said at Rip Clean, they prefer to use the cold water, so you don't have to use warm water with it, so it's really nice. You have a nice 50-foot hose to get in there. Very powerful, 6 horsepower again. You're using a residential one, you're probably looking at a half a horsepower to a horsepower on them, so this is gonna be a lot more powerful, be able to get in. So this whole setup here, again, 10-foot hose, 4-gallon on the vacuum, and 6 horsepower on the power of it. You're looking at the whole getup, the hose itself, the kit. We also got, on top of that, with the extractor kit, we got their 2 products, Thrasher and Attacker, to spray the seats, to treat them, to use. Very good product, they recommend, so we're gonna try those out. We'll let you know how they worked out. But for the product and the vacuum and the extractor kit, we're looking at a total cost of about $300, which isn't that bad considering our extractor that we purchased was about $180. So for a couple $100, $120 more, we upgraded it, 6 times the power, gonna be able to get those stains and the spills out on those seats really well.